Hello guys, Katrina Kisil here from Vanlife, Philippines. So after our overnight stay at Thrift Top View Bayawan City, Negros Oriental, had breakfast and witnessed the sea of clouds and a side trip to the amazing waterfall, the Niludhan Falls. Wanna know where's our next stop? Stay tuned, relax, and let's drive to Satori Cliff, Basay. Kumusta? Kumusta? Kapoy? But was it worth it? Very nice. Yeah, Niludhan Falls. So nice. Bahala na. Mas-stress. So, we're gonna go now to Satori Cliff. Bye-bye. Cliff diving in Satori Cliff. So we're now here at Satori Cliff, guys. So this is the fee. Entrance fee is only 40, children's 20, and parking and the cottage fee starts at 200 only. And it's really nice here. Seems nice. I've been here before. I don't know, that was 3 years ago. Wala pa tong mga ano dito, mga ano ba, shops. And pwede din mag-rent ng vest. 50 lang. Guys! Tignan nyo yung mga rock formations na yan. Tignan nyo yung mga rock formations na yan. Ang ganda ng ambience. Wow. Wow. So, ito pa rin siya. Yung Instagrammable, pang Instagrammable photo mo. Okay. Karang abot dito, ana-ana. Wa kay buot ka. Imo kong bikuan. Okay, so let's set up our food. Go. May ano dito, guys, ano ba yan? Cave. This is our improvised underwater case because I made a wrong order. So, improvised lang muna tayo ngayon. Yan. This is for GoPro Hero5. So, ginawa namin, I added some tissue. And then now, iti-testing namin kung hindi ba papasok yung tubig. Let's test. Ano ba natin i-testing? Liguin natin. Hindi siya. Ayan, yan yung ligo ko. Pero this is ice water. So, probably by it's moist. No. Yan. Okay. Oh, okay na. Tapoy. Good, good, good. It's finished testing the improvised case. Hindi naman nabasa yung mga towel inside. I mean, ano ba yan? Tissue inside.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
We are going to... Saan ba? Guys, we are going... Guys, we're gonna go... Ano ta? Gusto... Oh my God!
Di ba, a day after.